Hi, my name is Jim Moyer. I'm the general manager of the Land Rover Jaguar Jacksonville store. I've been with the Fields Auto Group for the last 36 years. We make sure that we are very intertwined with the community and give back and support it. It's just a philosophy that the owners, John Fields, has always put forth.
I think that Fields Auto Group's involvement in a number of organizations in the community is so important, and they're a great example of how businesses can get involved and make a difference in their communities. With WJXT Channel 4, they're a major partner with us in our Positively Jax program. And not only do they sponsor the program, but they're hands-on. Jim Moyer is on our board, and each month we recognize somebody in the community that's doing good things. And he appears on Channel 4 to present our Positively Jax Award, which is a monthly award that we do.
We talk about core, family values, and what's tied right into that is housing. I mean, you need to have a place to live, and it's safe, clean, and supportive. And so Beach's Habitat is a organization that helps facilitate a lot of that.
It's a great thing that Fields Auto Group supports Beach's Habitat, because they are helping people in the community with home ownership, which is so vital.
Not only are we very active in the Beach's Habitat, I'm actually a board member. Our customers see what we do and know that we're not just in it to obviously make profit. We're in it to support the community where we have our businesses and make sure that we can do whatever in our means to help facilitate a need that is in this community.
I shop at Fields Automotive because of how they give back to the community. That just means a lot to me to see stuff like that. I mean, I've been in other dealerships, other stores. You don't see the things that Fields does for the community and other stores.
They are an example of community involvement for our area.